Okay guys, so I think my Rubik's Cube is possessed. Look at these cool new glasses I have. So the other day, I was going to make a video of me speed solving the Rubik's Cube. But then, I forgot my laptop. Forgot my laptop, so I had to leave and go get it. I forgot my laptop. I'll be right back. When I came back, my Rubik's Cube was solved. But luckily, I left my camera on, so I got to see exactly what happened. So, I want you guys to take a look at it. Tell me if there's something weird about it. Got my laptop. I'm just gonna set this over here. Okay. What? What the? Don't think I need to go on. Well, now you've seen my story. I can't explain it. Maybe you guys can explain it, but thanks for watching.